गव्हर्नरान म्हणप की म्हादैचे विशयाचेर गोंयाक फटयला आनी येडियुरप्पान 50,000 कोटी प्रधानमंत्र्या कडेन मागप हातून कनेक्शन आहा. परां 7 तारखेक लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्ली सेशन आहा. Session is for a limited agenda, which is mandatory as per law to see that the reservation continues for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. This session is going to be preceded by the governor's address. Governor is on record saying that Goa has been cheated on Mhadei. So the Goa Forward Party's legislative wing will move an adjournment motion in this session. We know that under Rule 68, to move this motion, you require 1/6 of the strength of the House. We don't have this 1/6. But we will appeal to the Congress party. We will ask the MG, the Independent, Rohan, Khaunte, Congress legislative wing to support us in the adjournment motion.
For Mhadei?
For Mhadei. Specifically for Mhadei.
You are moving now?
We will move. I will move. Tourism has to go on, but it doesn't require the tourism minister to let tourism go on. Tourism will go on. असोच आज मेरेन tourismaक कितें contribute जाला is because of local entrepreneurs. Local people have brought tourism up. It's not the government that has brought it up. खंय वता तूं? शिकागो वता, फ्रांसाक वता, बेजिंग वता. कितले टुरिस्ट आयले थंय बेजिंगच्यान? कितले टुरिस्ट आयले शिकागोच्यान? More than 4 flats file going to Panchayat Minister is a murder of the 74th constitutional amendment is a serious issue. 20% below PWD awarding tenders is a serious issue. So restarting of mining is a serious issue. But there are so many issues. These are all local burning issues which are being swept under the carpet intentionally by bringing up issues which are not of relevant to Goa. EDM करचे न्ही अशें हांव म्हणना. EDM करा तुमी. EDM करून ड्रग डेथ जावंकूच जाय म्हणून अशें आहा. सगळे मरतातूच अशें आहा. जेन्ना सनबर्न जावंक नाशिल्लें, जेन्ना आमी पावरान आशिल्ले तेन्ना एक कितें आहलें तें टायम आउट म्हणून केल्लें. कितले जाण मेल्ले थंय? कोण मेल्लो? खंय ड्रगांचें कितें आयकूंक आयिल्लें? EDM करून ड्रग्स नासतना EDMय करूयात. कोण जावंक शकना अशें म्हणना. आमच्या वेळार केल्लें आहा मरे. So how do they justify this drug death? हांगा एक सांग म्हाका तूं, एकूय मनीस भितर 3 जाण बरोबर मरतात, 2 जाण बरोबर मेले. ड्रग्स भितर एकूय मनशाक कडच्यान तुमी धरनात. अशें जावंक शकता? ना जावंक शकता? सन्मान जाय मरे, शो मस्ट गो ऑन म्हणून तूं म्हणटा मरे. बरें आहा मरे, गव्हर्मेंटाक करूंक जाय मरे तें. Why can't just DJs be organized by your government? Take the whole revenue for yourself.